How to transfer Shopify ownership. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Masnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer your ownership on Shopify. Well, the steps are right here thanks to the Shopify help page. Now here you can head into the page directly, help.shopify.com, and transferring store ownership page. You will have to see before you start and considerations when you transfer ownership of your store. Now here I'll just be providing you directly on how you can transfer. From your partner dashboard, click Stores and then click Login next to your development store. From your Shopify admin, click Settings and then click Users and Permission. In the Store Owner section, click Transfer Ownership. Fill in the new store owner's information and select Transfer Store Ownership. If the new owner is not already a user on your store, you can cancel the transfer until they accept ownership by selecting Cancel Transfer under Store Owner. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.